to the Resources Roadhouse. I'm Wally Graham and I'm at the 2025 RIU Explorers Conference in Fremantle, catching up with an old friend of the Roadhouse, Karen Wellman from Dynamic Metals. Karen, as always, wonderful to see you.
Lovely to see you too, Wally.
All right, so you've got a bit of action afoot coming up at your Cognac West prospect, let's call it, in Western Australia. You know a lot more about it than I do, so can you please tell us what's going on?
Yes, Cognac West prospect is located at Widjamultha, so located about an hour south of Kalgoorlie. We've been working up the gold prospectivity there over the last 6 months, done a large soil sampling program, delineated a couple of higher grade soil anomalies, which have also been supported by rock chips that we've taken on there and some geological mapping. We've got some of the rock chips here, which are very, very shiny. Running that one's running at 2,000 grams per tonne. So we've got a lot of support for the potential significant gold mineralisation there. So next week we're going to start drilling. We've got a large drill program, 75 RC holes planned. We're going to hit the ground pretty hard and find out what we've got.
Fair enough. Now, gold hasn't always sort of been your remit, let's say, but be remiss of you not to go out looking for gold if there's some out on your tenements.
That's right. Well, when we came up with the name, the Dynamic Metals branding back a couple of years ago when we started the company, dynamic was more than a word. It's like a mindset.
Yep.
Like you've got to keep going and moving with the flow in the junior sector. So that's kind of why we chose the name.
Yep.
We started off with our nickel focus drill program 2 years ago. Last year, had a little bit of a movement on our lithium prospectivity, and we did that great JV with MinRes, where we got $5 million cash injected into our bank account in July, which has funded our gold exploration. So it was always there in our prospectus.
Yeah.
We talked about the gold. Nobody wanted to know about it a couple of years ago. Now we're just making the most of the opportunities and the fantastic gold price.
Yeah, and fortunate to be able to do that, with these things on your tenements, without having to go out, let's get new ones, but you can actually say, we know that we've got these out there because we have come across them.
Yeah. Let's
go and see what we can do with them.
Yeah, that was one of the reasons why Widjamultha project has always been our flagship. It's unrivaled land position with those multiple commodity prospectivity, and we've taken full advantage of that.
All right, great. So you're starting drilling next week, is that right?
Starting drilling next week.
Yeah, all right. And so that means we'll start to expect to hear some news coming out when?
Yeah, I think it's going to be very busy next couple of months as we get this done. So expect assays should be flowing a couple of weeks after we start drilling, and can't wait to see what we find.
And as always, there'll be plenty of news coming out of the Dynamic Metals office.
Sure will be.
All right. No, great to catch up, and make sure you keep in touch.
No worries. Thanks, Wally.
Thanks very much.